To learn how to make these delightful red velvet cupcakes, keep watching. Hi everybody.
Hi everyone.
Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today of course we have the twins here, Hannah and Harrison, but we also have some special guests. What's your name?
David.
What's your name?
Didai.
And who are you to them? Who are you to the twins?
Cousin.
Yes.
And Hannah and Harrison.
Yes. So today we're doing something very special. 5th of May, Miss Auntie's birthday, my sister.
Cupcake time.
David and Divine's mom. And so we are going to be making
Our dad and our mom.
yes, auntie. So we're going to be making a cupcake. We're going to be doing a red velvet cupcake for auntie. So yeah, so we're going to try and pull this off. I got the cake mix because it's much easier, and I wanted it to be red velvet cake because red is my sister's favorite color and mine. I don't know by now. So we're going to do that. So to get this started, let me show you what we're going to need. So to make the cupcakes, we're going to need the cupcake mix, which is here. We're going to also need the milk, some eggs. We've got the tin, the cupcake tins and the cases, and we've got our bowl. So we're going to start by mixing the mixture so we can get the butter and put that in the oven. So let's get that done now, and I'm going to need everybody's help to do that. So are you ready?
Yes.
All right, let's come. So we're going to start by adding the mixture into a bowl. So I'm going to do that. If you're going to do this, get an adult to help you out. So we've got the mix here. This is the cake mix. We're going to put that into the bowl. Right, we've got that in the bowl. And then what else do we need?
Milk.
Okay, all right. Let's see. All right, make sure it's evenly spread out.
Yeah, I need to spread it out.
Yeah. All right. So now we're going to add. So we're going to add
2 eggs. Yeah.
2 medium sized eggs. So we got here 2 medium sized eggs. Alright.
You have to do. It's open.
Yeah. For 1 egg. How many more do we need?
2 more.
1 more.
Yeah.
So 1 plus 1 is
2. One on my face.
so.
One on my eye. Oh.
So we got 2 eggs. What do we need next?
Milk.
Alright, so it says we need 60 ml of milk, and this is exactly 60 ml. So we're gonna fill that up. It says semi-skimmed milk, and if you see, this is semi-skimmed milk. Alright, so we're going to put that. Alright, and now we're going to do the fun bit, which is the mixing. Are you ready to help me out?
Yeah.
Alright, we're going to do it each person is going to, let's start in with David. You're going to help me. So after adding all our ingredients, which are the cake mix, the egg and the milk, now we are going to mix everything together for about 2 minutes until everything has mixed together. So I'm just letting the kids take it by turn to help with the mixing, which they really enjoyed. It makes them feel involved. And yeah, so we're just going to mix that well and make sure that the mixture is consistent. There are no lumps, anything like that, before putting them in the oven. So now we've got the batter here. We're going to scoop and place it into. So let's start. Divine, come. We're going to scoop it. So make sure first. So you see the way it is. This is how it's supposed to be, running like that. Make sure you put in the right amount of everything. That's why you measure it out. So Divine, you want to come? All right, let's scoop.
Now we are going to scoop the mixture and just put that into the cupcake cases. This can get messy, so make sure that your surface is protected, because yeah, it can get a bit messy. So we do that, and then after doing all of that, then we're going to put it into the oven for about 15 minutes.
So now we've got our cupcake into the cases. So I've already preheated the oven, and we are going to put them in the oven
for 15 minutes.
Yeah, so you're gonna go into the oven for 15 minutes, and then
we're going to wait for 15 minutes.
Yes. Alright, so let's take it to the oven. Alright. So we're going to come and mix the buttercream, alright?
Yeah.
We're not gonna use all of it because obviously.
All of it?
No.
Little. And the rest of to
I'm gonna put some butter now. Alright, so we got our butter here.
It's turning yellow. But the sugar's turning yellow.
Yeah, because it's buttercream, and that's how it is. So now that we've mixed it a bit, we're going to now use the whisk so it doesn't get all over the place. Yeah, a few seconds as I'm doing this.
While the cupcakes are in the oven, we are mixing the buttercream, and you're just going to mix that really well until it's really fluffy and soft.
And now we're going to add that onto that.
So we got our cake. Yeah, guys, you're going to wait, okay? Each person is going to have the opportunity to, so don't worry.
Ooh.
Smart.
This is so smart, Mommy. You're going to get it.
So we're going to now use and put the cream. I'm going to go first so you see.
After the cupcakes have cooled down, now it is time for us to top it up with the buttercream that we've done. So each of the kids is taking it by turn to top up the cupcakes with the buttercream, which they also really enjoyed, and just enjoyed licking the buttercream as well.
Be me, so I'm gonna do the first one, which is gonna be A.
Wait. Wow, look!
This is the fun bit that the kids have been looking forward to. This is their favorite part of this activity, which is doing the decoration. So what we did, I got them some colorful cake decorating like pens, sort of different colors. So each one of them decorated their own. We used the coloring pens to write my sister's name, and then we also use sprinkles to decorate it. So they really enjoyed this bit, just getting creative.
Don't touch it. Great job. Look at the cupcakes that we did. Hello. No, put your hand. That says Ami love cake. Are you guys ready? Auntie's coming. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, let's sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Alright everyone, thanks for joining us. We've had a lovely time. Have you guys enjoyed making the cupcakes?
There's just always this one.
Yeah, do you love the cupcakes? Nice?
Yeah.
You want to watch it on TV?
Yeah.
Alright, when it's finished, alright? Happy birthday, Auntie. Let's say bye-bye. Everybody say bye to camera.
Bye.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, comment, and also click on the notification bell because we have more exciting videos coming up with the kids. So definitely subscribe. Thank you for watching, and if you do give this a go, feel free to send me pictures, video, or tag me and I can share them on another video that we do. Thank you everybody and stay blessed.